Okay, so you know those people on like TikTok, YouTube, and they like what's it called? Put like soap and water on this, or like just soap or just water. Yeah, I want to do that. I want to do that. So let's go. Okay, so I moved perspectives. I moved spots, and let's get this done. Okay, let me go wet this and put soap on it. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Ma, look. This feels amazing. Wow. And it's like textured too. Oh my gosh. You guys need to go get some frozen butter tablet squishies from MoonKatt. Search it up. Search up MoonKatt. It is 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. This is so good. Shout out to MoonKatt. Thank you for giving me this. They didn't like send it to me like free, obviously. My dad bought it, but like still, thank you for making these. These are amazing. Like literally. Go buy more frozen butter tablet squishies from MoonKatt. 10 out of 10. Amazing. Just go. So good. So good. Okay, guys. Bye.